You're good. Well, you're not, but the clearance is good.
Man, you're on a kick today, I'll tell you.
I tried. Look at that. Doing to this one?
Yeah, we're doing a pulley, injectors, headers, and a tune.
Okay, nice.
I'm doing it.
Nice. Oh, hi there.
What's up?
You wanna help me? What do you need?
Hold this blower up for a second.
Sure. It's turning into CTSV week.
Yeah, alright. I told Eric we're twinning.
Yeah, you are. Although his is a coupe.
Coupe.
You got 4 doors for more horse.
I was just about to say. You know what that means.
Well, on this one, it means kids up in this bitch.
That's cool too.
Maybe he had the 4 doors for the horse, and
then
that
it
led
turned
to the
into
kids.
kids.
Yeah, exactly. Is this one getting a ported blower or anything, or
Nah.
no?
But it's getting the isolator for the
Oh yeah, solid
inside
isolator.
yeah.
So what are we doing? 255 upper pulley, solid isolator. I know you mentioned it earlier.
Injectors, spark plugs.
That's right.
His stainless works, full exhaust.
There she is. Junk!
Like everybody and their mother already pretty much knows.
Yeah, well, do you want to show the viewers that maybe do not have a CTSV and do not know?
I'm gonna get ready to do mine. You wanna do yours at the same time?
Yeah.
Or we gotta mill yours.
So the reason you do the solid isolator is because this little spring, see the grooves on here? Inside of there? I put grooves on this guy. Puts all the grooves. Flat. Does all that. Oh, I'm sorry, am I in your way? I'm trying to explain to the viewers.
Well, the viewers can wait because I got to do.
Okay, well then I'll do it on this one while you work on that one. How about that?
That sounds like a great idea.
Is that better? Okay, let's try this again.
Okay, we're gonna get on that last lip.
See the grooves?
Here it's
Dude, this thing's still warm.
Dude, I don't friend.
You are... You need to teach Eric how to be that quick.
you, dude. He always says how I don't do any work. He sleeps upstairs all day.
I wish I slept upstairs.
All this RTV residue in here.
Yeah, fist that blower.
I'm gonna have to. Oh yeah.
Get all up in that. All up in there, Eric. It's the most action you've had in a while, haven't you?
That's hilarious.
Insane. Eric's fucking wrist deep over here. We're almost elbows deep.
You gotta clean it up, man. Tell me it look nice, man. I swear to God, dude.
You sound like me. You sound like me.
Yeah, I know. I swear to God, I'm gonna poison your coffee in the morning if I'm sick.
It's like I'm still sick, and it was like a week ago.
Yeah.
Finally feeling better.
So that means I'll have it for like a month.
Yes, fact. And you'll be out that whole month. Eric's just a little girly man. He can't do it by himself.
I'd rather not do it by myself.
Yeah, you're right.
Get it from here. All right.
So ice tank, 5-inch intake, pretty much wrapped up, right? Yep. No Z01 lid for this guy?
Nah.
Dude, you sound like you're getting sick too.
Yeah. Ben sick.
What the hell?
What the hell's right?
It's not my fault.
What did you do?
I came to work when I was sick.
You need to work from home when you're sick.
I can't remote film. I could remote edit, but I can't remote film.
Yeah. I feel like you could keep yourself busy.
That'd be a great idea.
It's Eric was
I
like,
said next time you're sick, dude, work from home.
Yeah, we've been bad mouthing you all morning.
oh, I'll believe it. You want some Fisherman's Friends?
He just gave me a whole packet.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah, it helped
I was gonna
a lot.
say Matt with the ZR1 gave us a whole bunch, so he hooked it up. Now they're coming in handy.
What's for lunch today?
Whatever you're buying.
I don't know. I'm hungry today. I'll tell you that.
Dude, you do this every day. You get hungry real early, then you like go get something that you regret later on in the afternoon,
So?
and then you chase it down with a Monster, and then feel like an asshole.
No, I don't. I feel great.
I was gonna say, that sounds awesome.
That's pretty much Eric's
That's
daily
exactly
routine.
what I'm gonna do today.
That's his daily routine.
What's that? What are you doing today?
Exactly what Steve just said.
Yeah, it's great. We do it every day.
I know you do.
What? With Steve?
Well,
I do that every day.
we know you do that.
What? Then we feel like drink a Monster and we feel great.
Oh,
And by great, he means like shit and throws up.
you gonna make Matt fat after he starts working here?
Dude, I'll tell you what. I ate so much weed since I started working here.
Blame it here.
Yeah.
Blame it on
Blame
us.
it on f***ing me.
Not your decisions. Not your decisions to get chicken cheesesteaks every day, but blame it on us.
I'm not blaming it on anybody but myself, but it just, there's so much good food around here.
Cheesesteaks, Hoagie Fest
Yeah.
starts like.
Seriously.
Well, no, you gotta go to Iononi. Have you been to Iononi's yet? Have you been to Iononi's yet?
Yeah, we went.
Isn't the Italian festival this week? He's
Italian
really-
Festival is this week.
He's gonna really.
Joey and them went last night. I think I'm like,
I would have won.
I think I'm gonna go tomorrow night.
Yeah, I think I might go tonight and tomorrow night.
Yeah, tonight I was supposed to rain, but it's like just cloudy now, which might deter a lot of people from going. Have you ever been to
Good
the
time
Italian
to go.
Festival?
I have not.
Why
You
don't you
gotta
go?
go.
I asked you yesterday.
I said I'll try to go tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah,
I said
let's all go
try.
tomorrow night.
Yeah, I'll go right after work.
Yeah, all right, I'll tell the woman too. Vodka water ice, Steve?
Yeah,
I could do that.
Yeah. The problem is because they use fucking vodka.
Oh yeah, it's probably
Like,
some flat.
Yeah, the food, no, it's like pop off or whatever the plastic.
Plastic container,
yeah,
flatty.
yeah. Ew, f that, dude.
The zipper.
I'll ride the motherfucker.
He said he's gonna do it.
Dude, I went on it last year, the first day I went, and it was awesome. And I'm like, holy shit, that was great. I went on it again with like Gavin and my other buddy Alex, and dude, the guy went extra hard on the
Dude. Oh yeah, I was there that
Yeah.
night. Were you hammered before you went on it
Gavin
too?
was with us too.
Oh yeah.
I
Oh,
was like-
3 of them went in it. Yeah.
I didn't feel right for a week.
Dude,
It's typical you.
I would never ride that. I can't do rides like that. Can you?
I can.
See, no, I don't like that.
1,000+ horsepower cars, no problem. Stupid roller coaster thing.
Dude, you know what the zipper is?
No.
You sit in this little compartment that's like, it's like a chair that's in a cage, and you're like holding on to this thing, and the whole cage spins around while the whole like machine spins around. Like, so you're just flipping around as you're like going around the whole machine, dude.
You can like hold the thing still.
Yeah, yeah, you can hold it still, or like they like rock it, and they were like spinning it backwards.
Yeah, if you're still, you can rock it, but it's only meant for 2 adults to be inside the thing.
Yeah.
We had 3 adults in there, and we were fucking packed, and it was terrible.
Dude, that's hot as shit, I think that whole trip. We just do that, and then I play like all the games and shit, and I win like 27 little goldfish, and then I just hand them out to kids, and their parents hate me for it.
They're like, I don't know if that's like creepy or.
No, I just win a bunch of little fucking gold, because they have like the beer pong like things or whatever. It's just a card for a goldfish. But like little kids are sitting there trying to play and they never play, so I just give them my fucking tickets.
And the
I don't
parents
want a
like,
goldfish.
great, now I got to
Yeah, they're like,
explain in a
thanks.
week why this thing died.
Thanks for giving my kid fucking 4 goldfish. I'm like, no problem.
They're going to name them, get all excited, and then I'm going to have to flush them in 2 days.
Yeah.
Thanks, Fran. They go out, buy all the aquarium. Thanks for the bill, buddy.
Let's go Dino.
What are we done now?
That maroon C6. I don't know if it's a Grand Sport or not.
I don't think it is.
No, it's just basically.
So to the 12 o'clock boys, get your audition tape.
Yeah, they just said you're in, you're good.
Sweet.
Then even though you're only at like 9 o'clock, we're good.
I would go like 8.
Not even some credit.
No, it was like 8.
You'd be at fucking 6 o'clock if you were
No,
on.
I would be at 1 o'clock falling backwards.
I haven't rode in a long time, but when I used to like ride more often, I'd be able to ride a wheelie like literally as far as like I could go. Like I could just go forever, but I haven't ridden it so long. You lose your touch. You gotta get back on it.
Yeah, that's it.
I gotta get the CR500 out too.
Yeah.
I think we sold him all the parts, and then I guess he just installed it, and now we're tuning it. But yeah, like I guess our cam, ID 1050X's, that's it. No pump, no E.
Okay.
I'm gonna guess it'll make.
This is 645.
I was gonna say 650.
Yeah.
Depends how much boost it's on. If it makes like
10 pounds.
8 or 9 pounds, it'll be there in that range. This, I think, is the first D-1X car I've done.
Really?
I think so.
Usually D-1SC or F1X.
Yeah, I mean the D-1X is new, so
Right.
I think it's the first one I've done. I guess we'll find out.
So maybe it'll surprise her.
Maybe it will. Am I done?
No.
You're gonna lose.
Damn it, come on.
Lose.
Whatever, still. I was right on for now. How many degrees do you have in it?
13.
It's pretty low.
Straight pump, no mess.
True. Gonna add a degree.
Yep. Maybe a degree and a half.
Stock throttle body and the 5-inch intake still works very, very well.
One down.
No cats on this?
Stock mufflers.
I don't fucking know. Why don't you walk your ass back there and look?
Does.
Well, then
The other one's
why
got-
did you ask it in question form?
I didn't. I would have been like stock mufflers. You know, you go up at the end.
Oh, and that
Creates a question.
or some might think that is an exclamation point because you got excited about it.
No, it would have been stock mufflers. That's an exclamation point. Or
No, that
caps.
just sounds retarded.